Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Excel open and your workbook selected. First, make sure your data is a single table or contiguous range so searches behave predictably. Convert to an official table, Control+T, because tables keep headers and ranges dynamic. This prevents missed rows when you filter or add data. Once done, save a quick copy. Make sure Auto Recover is active. Now move to the Home ribbon and locate Find and Select. This is where you begin targeted searches and basic replacements across sheets. You'll now refine searches. Press Ctrl+F and click Options to expose Match Case, match entire cell, and look in Settings. Choose formulas when you need functions or values when you need displayed text. Use wildcards. For one character, asterisk for multiple to catch variations, and toggle search by rows or by columns depending on layout. For complex needs, use Find All to list every hit and jump directly. Once you understand the list, you can replace selectively or use. Go to Special to target constants, finish by validating changes. After a replace or mass operation, use filters or conditional formatting to flag modified rows so you can scan for errors. If you need to search across multiple sheets, use Find All and then select within Results. For formulas, paste values if you want static results. If something goes wrong, pause, check for hidden rows, merged cells, or the look in setting being set to formulas versus values, because those differences often explain missed or unexpected matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.